All right, I've got a few classical tunes for you here. Great ones for Christmas. Here goes Ode to Joy by Beethoven. I'll play them first and then we'll get into it. So we got... Okay, so a little tricky, but not too crazy. So we got open and one on the bottom two strings. And we're going to alternate those two note chords with the open G string twice. And then we're going to come into the 3 and 1 on the bottom two, to the G again, and then 5 and 3. Okay, so that's our first 4 kind of beats there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do it in reverse. 5 and 3, 3 and 1. 1 and open. Now we're going to add a new one, 4 and 3 on the 3rd and 2nd strings. And we're going to go to the open G again. So all these play off like. Okay, so real slow, we got 3 and 4 and. Okay, and that was the 4 and 3 to the open G. Now we're going to have a 2 on the big string. This is like a C chord shape. We're going to have the 2 and the 1 at the same time to the open G. 2 times, and then the 4 and 3 to the open again. And then we're going to the little open and 1 to the G. So this new measure is. And then we're going to hit the open and 1 and hold it. So that was open and 1, and then 3 on the 2nd, to open, open 3 on the top 3 strings there. And then we're back into the original riff. And then we come back to the 201. 4 and 3 to open, so. Now here we're gonna hit a 3 string chord, open, 1 and open on those bottom 3, part of a C. So that was. Now we have this G shape, 5, 4, 3. Top 3 strings there. And that was 1 on the 2nd string to 201. Now we're going to go open, open 3 twice. And then that open 1 open to the 2 open 1. So we got open, open 3. Now this is an interesting one. We have the 1 and the open. But we're going to go to that little 1. And then we're going to go 3rd and 1st strings open. So. 201 and then 003 again. Same stuff there again, but this time 213. It's an E7 chord. So these two parts were. And then the top of an A minor, 221, and a 2 and 3 from a D to the 2 big strings open. So that last one was. And then we're back to our beginning. And then 201. Hit that chord again, and then 4 and 3. 1 to 201. Okay, so one more time through, we got. Okay, Ode to Joy, Beethoven. Got a tab with this. Check that out. Now this next one is by Tarrega. So this is an Etude in E minor. This one has a great Spanish type of sound to it. So this is also in 3/4. So we have 3 beats per each measure. I should have said that on the first song as well. So this one's going to go. Okay, so that's our first part. So we can have open, 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 and then 3 open, open twice. That's our first measure. So these are like triplets, and we have 3 sets of them, 3 beats. So 1 and 2 and 3 and now we're going to come to this chord, 2, 1, and 3. We're going to have a pinky on the 3 here. So that was 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. And then this is probably the hardest part, is to get this 5, 4, 2. And then be able to get this 3, 4, 2 to the 2, 4, 2. So it requires a bar there at the end. So 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2. And then we're up to 7s. 3 times. And we got open, 3, 3. We'll go back to that 3, 1, 2. And then we have that same 5, 4, 2 thing. Open on the bottom, and then 3 strings open. We're going to do all that again, so I'll play it here. Okay, and you see why when you have that 3, 2, 1, you want to start with your pinky. So you got that other finger ready to get that kind of D7 thing. Okay, so part 2 of this is going to go open, 3, 7, and then we're going to switch here to 7, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 5, 5. So that goes. Now we're going to come here to 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 5. So that new one is. And then 5, open, open, 3, 7, and then open to 3, 3 again. And then back to this. And then the 5, 4, 2. Little open. And then we'll do harmonics on the 12th fret of the bottom 3 strings. Okay, so if we do all that new part again, we got. Okay, so that's your 2 parts of Etude in E minor by Tarrega. Now this last one is Minuet in G by Bach. So this is also in 3/4. All these are in 3/4. So we got. Okay, that's our first part. So we have 2, 2 open on the bottom 3. And then we're going 2 on the G. O, 2, 3 on the B string, 2 and open on the bottom there, 2, 2 on the G. So we had 2, 2 open, 2, O, 2, 3, 2 and open to 2, 2, and then part of a D chord, 2, 3, 2. And then we're going to go 3 on the second, O, 2, 4 here, and then 2 and 5 at the same time. 2, 2. So all that was. Okay, then we'll hit the 2 and a 3 from a D, and then little one open, 3, 2, O on the B, 2 and 2 there, 3, 2 open on the B to 2 on the G. So this new part is. And then we're going to go 2, 1, O in the top 3 strings, and then 2, O on the B, 2, 1 on the G, 2 and 2 on the top 2. So once again. Okay, and you do that twice in a row. Now we move on to the next part. We're gonna have 2 and 2 here, kind of like an A chord. We're gonna hit the big string and the second string at the same time. And then we have 2 on the G, open 2 on the second string, back to that 2. So it's 2, 1 open from an E chord, O, 2, 4 open on the small string there, and then 2 and 5 here. 2, 4, 5, 2. So we got. Now we're gonna go 4 and 4, big string and second string. 2, 4, 4 on the G. Got a little run right here. 4 on the G, 2, 4, O, 2, 4. So, and then we go 5s, 5 and 4, 4 and 2, and then the D shape here, 4, 5, 4. O, 4. So let me play this whole thing for you guys. Ends with the E chord, 2, 1, O, O. Then our last part's going to go 2, 2 open again on the bottom 3. 2, 1, 2 in the G, the D shape. 2, 1, 2, and then little opens, 2 and 3, 2s. So that was second string, and then 2, 1, 2 in the G, 2, 1 open, and then we have 2, 4 in the big one, 1, 2, open 2. So this is going to go. And then our new part, 2 and 3, 2 and 2, fourth and second strings, 2, 1 open, 2 to open here, second string to first, big 2s, 2, 1, back to 2s. Okay, so this whole part is. Okay, Minuet in G by Bach. Hope you all enjoyed those. Got tabs on each of these. They're all in 3/4. Work on your finger picking, and happy holidays. Thanks a lot.